have discussed types of sets. Now let's move on to the next one, universal set. So universal set is a set which contains all possible elements that are present in the set. So for example, suppose I am discussing about a set of natural numbers less than 10, then universal set is going to be set of all natural numbers. If I am discussing about some natural numbers, odd natural numbers less than 20, then universal set can be set of all odd natural numbers. If we are discussing about some integers less than 100 or like 1000, then universal set can be set of all integers. So it is just a bigger set than the set what we are discussing. Now universal set can be denoted by either letter X, capital X or capital U. Next what we have is Venn diagram. Now Venn diagrams are nothing but geometrical figures which depicts the properties of set and relation between sets. Now suppose we have two sets, set A and set B, and suppose set A is contained inside set B. Set A is a subset of set B, then Venn diagram can be drawn like this. This is your bigger set, set B. So we will be using circles and rectangles for denoting these sets. So this is your set B and set A is contained inside B. So we have to just draw another circle which is inside B. And universal set, which is going to be bigger set, can be drawn using a rectangle. So this is going to be universal set. So set A is in B and this is your universal set. So usually we are going to use circles for sets and rectangle for universal set. Now suppose we have another, let's take another example. Suppose we have set A wherein we have elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now we have to draw Venn diagram for this. We just have to draw a circle. This is your set A and these are the elements in the set, and the bigger rectangle is going to denote the universal set. Now since these are natural numbers 1 till 4, your universal set can be any bigger set than this particular set. It can be the whole natural numbers, complete set of natural numbers. Next we have complement of a set. So if X is universal set and there is a set A in X, then the set of elements which are in X but which are not in A, all will belongs to complement of A. Now for example, suppose universal set is 1 till 10 and set A, in set A suppose I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be A complement? The elements which are in X but do not belongs to A, which are not in A. So in A we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5 we do not have in A but it is in X. So it will belongs to complement. Then 6, it is also not there in A but it is there in universal set. So again it will belongs to complement. Again 7, 8, 9 and 10. So complement is nothing but the elements which are in universal set but which are not in A. So complement can be written as set of all X such that X belongs to universal set but X does not belongs to A. That becomes complement of A. Now let's look at some examples. The first one here we have set of all natural numbers less than 10. Let me list out all these elements. So we have set of natural numbers less than 10. Next, in set A we have set of all even natural numbers less than 10. So which are the even natural numbers less than 10? 4, 6, 8 and 10. So which are the elements which will belongs to complement? We do not have 1 here but 1 is in universal set. So 1. Then we do not have 3. So 3, then 5, 7 and 9. So in complement we have all the numbers which are in X but which are not in A. Again we can write this complement is set of all odd numbers which are less than 10. Okay. Now suppose we want to draw Venn diagram for this. This is going to be your universal set, wherein we have elements from 1 till 10, and here we have, suppose set A, this is set A. In set A we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now rest all the numbers will be outside this, because in X we have 1 till 10. So these particular elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is in set A. So the rest will be outside this A. So outside A, whatever we have outside A other than A is nothing but a complement. Another example. So here universal set, what we have is set of all natural numbers less than 20, and set A, set of all natural numbers divisible by 5 but again less than 20. So let's list out. So here we have all the natural numbers till 20, and in set A we have natural numbers divisible by 5 and less than 20. So which are the natural numbers divisible by 5? 5 itself, then 10, 15 and 20. Okay. So let me draw Venn diagram for this. This is your universal set, wherein we have all these elements from 1 till 20. But in set A we have only 5, 10, 15 and 20. So rest all like 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18 and 19 will be outside this circle A. So if this is A, outside part is nothing but complement of A. So A complement is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already there. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is already there. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is there. Then 16, 17, 18, 19, plus 20 is again there in A. So the numbers or the elements which are in X, which are in universal set but which are not in A, will belongs to A complement other than A. It is also called as other than A.